Hi, I'm Dedra Hughes with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group, and this is Brooke Peterman and Sarah Maxwell, and we're the Dedra Hughes team. Today we're at a really special spot in the heart of Valdosta. You might see that we're in red and green. Well, that's because it's going to be like Christmas in July when you come and look at this special property. We're at Miss Mary's. It's got beautiful craftsmanship. She and her husband restored this many years ago, and you will not believe what you're going to see inside and outside. But I'm going to turn it over to Sarah and let her tell us what she loves about the property.
Well, Dedra, you know I love older homes, and this is such a treat to be here today. I love the hardwood floors. They're absolutely beautiful. My favorite room in the house is the keeping room with a fireplace just off the kitchen. Brooke, tell us what you love about the house.
My favorite thing about this house is the space. At over 4,100 square feet, there is room for you to do anything that your heart desires. In fact, it would be perfect for all your friends or even would make a great professional office building. So call me or your favorite realtor and let's go take a look. Come on.